Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shandir Rockstar, and today I'm going to be unboxing a timer that I have got from Amazon. This timer is used for studying and in kitchen, but I'm going to use it during solving a Rubik's Cube. So now I'm going to unbox it. So it is 999 rupees. The MRP is 999 rupees, but I have gotten it in 275 rupees. So now I'm going to be unboxing it to see the quality. So as you can see, these are the instructions, and this is the timer. It's blue in color and looks really good. There are these 5 buttons. Its quality is really good, and the way we hold it, it's really soft, and we have a stand. Thank you.